Joanne, show me your chocolate. Huh? You have your chocolate? Where? You want to open your chocolate? Hmm? You want to open? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. You want Mama to open that for you? Hmm? Ay, poor baby. You want Snickers? Mm-hmm. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Oh, I can't open that. Oh, you're mad at Mama? Oh, don't be mad. I can't open that. Mm-mm. You wait until you're 3 years old. You're going to have Snickers. Huh? Okay, you try to open your candy. You try to open.
You had a wonderful family. Oh, thank you. So do you. I just love your family. Girls are great.
Is that how you open your candy? Hmm? Okay, you ask Choo Choo. You open Joanne's candy, Choo Choo.